Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put negative number 1 in here. Later that we need to add back positive number 1. This one that is about identity. Now I will put number 1 cone here. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equal to sine t. Because we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. The reason I need to choose about this one, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 minus sine t square. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So this one I will put in here. S we change by this one. The S we change by this one. 1 minus sine t square, we have cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, we have cosine t. Next, cosine t and cosine t, we have cosine t square. Next, cosine t square multiplied by sine t and number 1. Now, we call this one first. So, we have the formula in here. Cosine t square equals to cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to put number 2 go outside. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1 that's about t, and later that we put about c. Now let's go to the second one. So cosine t square we can put into cosine t, cosine t. Next, I will put number 2 and 1 over 2 in here. Because 2 divided by 2, we have number 1. So we have the formula in here. 2 sine a cosine a equal to sine 2a. And now, we need to change this one into sine 2t. Next, we have the next formula in here. Sine a cosine b equals to 1 over 2 sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Positive. So now we can apply this formula for this one in here. This one we have 3t. This one we have t. And now we have the final answer 1 over 2, 1 over 2. We have 1 over 4. The interaction of sine 3t, we have negative 1 over 3 cosine 3t. The interaction of sine t, we have negative cosine t. And then I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. The interaction of this one, that is about this one. So about t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arc sine of s plus 1. And now we need to change t into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.